GM everyone, Eggy here. Do you want to level up your search game? Well, GoDID has some powerful search capabilities built in that you may not be aware of. Let me show you. Here we are in our marketplace window, where you can see we have our status bar with a range of searchable parameters. What you may not be aware of is that there are programmable text-based search functions that you can use to really drill down into a category. Let's take a look. If you're not sure how to get started, just simply click on this book icon to the right of the search bar and you'll be presented with some options. We've got wildcard, exclude, pattern, or any combination of these. Let's start off by searching only names that have a prefix of 00. As you can see, it's added the 00 here and put an asterisk next to it. Now we can change this up. If we wanted to search for digits that end in 00, we can click here and change them around. As you can see from the example, all we need to do is add an asterisk and we can search for any type of digit we want. Here I am searching for digits that end in 69. Let's take a look at some more options. We also have the exclude function. For example, we can exclude names that contain the number 4, and that's represented by an exclamation mark. Now, of course, we can change this to any symbol, letter, or emoji that we want. We can also search for specific patterns. Maybe I want to look for palindromes. Now we're looking at all digits that are available to buy now with the pattern AABAA. We can also use any combination of these. For example, let's search for ABCCC names that start with 0 and do not contain a 4. Once again, these can be modified to have any pattern that you want. Alright DGens, that's it from me for today. I'll see you next time with another video. Cheers.